you have a high column and you use double metallic chain to secure, you need to connect with this shackle, because if you want to connect to put 3 in the same chain holder, it's not go inside, and you need to put 4. So what you do, you use this. You don't bring it back to the chain holder, you bring it back to the metallic chain with this and this. You connect. The same in the next side. We go to the next side. You see, here it's double, and here it's the same. You connect this like this. This back to here, this back to here, and like this it's two metallic chain for one column. It's 2 of 6 millimeter metallic chain or 8 millimeter. It depends what you choose.